Hello friends, and today I've got a bit of an unboxing for you. This is from Crafty Bonbons. This was sent to me for you guys to just show you what you can get in one of their boxes on a month by month basis. This is done by two wonderful ladies. We've got Crafty Ali Phillips, and then we've got Bonbons Kawaii, who is Debbie. These guys sent me this, it actually arrived the other day, so I've been waiting to unbox it with you guys, so shall we dig it? So I have just broke the seal, as it were, to make this a little bit easier, so I'm just going to pull that out and we can do that. Now I am trying a little bit of a new setup, so hopefully you'll be able to see everything in one place, but we've got two lovely little embellishments here with a nice little bit of hollow on it, and then when you open it up, and we've got all the goodies. So let's get that in frame. Right, so to start off, we've got some washi and another one here. This is really pretty, I like this. I love thin washi because you can use it to, I use it in my planner to mark out amounts of time for when I'm traveling, so that's really handy to have. And then you've got your loyalty card, which obviously has your loyalty sticker, which goes on the back there. And then when you buy 8 of the boxes, you receive a free one. So that's always good to keep that safe. And then we've got a little leaflet about the box itself and just the reviews that it's had. Then we get into the meat of the actual box. So I've got a pen here in my favourite colour. That is awesome. So that's a stylus at one end and then just a normal pen at the other. Let's see if I can get it to, there we go. So just a normal pen at the other end there. Then we've got, this is some ribbon. This is really nice for little detail work if you're making cards. A couple of adorable rose gold cat paper clips. They'll be going straight into my planner. Can't go wrong with some post-its. This is always my go-to for taking notes. These are gorgeous. Some buttons. Oh, some more little ribbon embellishments. Just dropping them all over the place. I really like the colours in this. It's very me colours. And we've got some more paper clips. Again, they'll probably be going in my planner straight away. Then we have this giant stamp, which would look great as just a like a feature piece, and then potentially some photos around it. If you're journaling, that'd be really good for that. Then we have our washi cards already on a ring, so I'll be filling those up to take with me to planner meets. Little pencil rubber and some more ribbon. Now this ribbon is really fun because it's got little bits, I don't know if you're going to be able to see, it's got little bits of wire just there, and what you can do, this is quite a nice little trick if this is going to play nicely, is if you pull the ribbon along the wire, because it's a wire rather than just standard ribbon, you can pull it along like you would if you were setting up a pair of curtains and turn it into like a little rose, or you can use it to just make ruffles as well. So you just pull both sides, it just gives you this lovely little ruffle effect. That's always handy to have. Also with it having the wire as well, when you make bows, they stay beautifully in shape. You can make them all big and puffy. We've got some more of those amazing embellishments. I see hollow. I'm going to open this up because this looks really interesting. So the Crafty Bonbons box you can actually get off Etsy. It's off Bonbons Kwai's Etsy shop. These are gorgeous. Look at the details on these. These have taken ages to cut. Oh, I know what I'm doing with these guys. These guys are going to turn into a little banner. Oh, there's a little windmill. That's adorable. That is going into my planner when I go to the Netherlands again. Little rosette. It's that caught my eye. Look at that. Love that. And then this big piece. That's awesome. Love that. Put those to one side. Put them back on top of their bag at least, and then they won't get lost. We've got a few more embellishments here. Let's open this up, see what's in here. Oh, there's a little... Oh, that's adorable. Is that... Please tell me that's attached. Oh, little bag, go away. Oh, is this one? Oh, that is one die cut. That is adorable. Oh, I love that. And then you've got some more. And then these die cuts are amazing. They're amazing. Love them. And then we've got some cards. Oh, on-brand colours for me. How cute is that? Love these journal cards. These are perfect for if you're doing memory keeping. Really good to just jot things on and throw some photos down. And then we've got some postcards. Oh, what's in the little envelope? Oh, I love these. These are awesome. These are just loads of different words. Oh, that is really cool. Oh, I like them. They'd be, again, really good for memory keeping. I think that's one of the best things about this box, is that even if you aren't a big card crafter, you could quite happily use them in your planner, no problem whatsoever. This is really nice because this actually folds back on itself. You can make a little parcel surprise, so you could have like a little fold out and have an entire photo here, or a journal card, a bit of paper inside that, and make it like a little hidden journal section. That's really cute. And then we've got some stickers. They'll definitely get put to good use. And then we have a insert here, which is a blue grid paper, which I'm always happy about. That'll be going in my TN. That can be my little on-the-go journal. And then we've got this from Simple Stories, right? So this is adorable and it's going to go in my memory planner, no problem. Love all of that. That's really cute. And then we get onto the papers, right? Papers. Ooh, ooh. Oh, okay. Let's look at that in a bit. So papers are gorgeous as always. Got this beautiful, just fill your screen, look at it. I've got this guy. This print is adorable. I absolutely love that. That is my absolute favourite. We've got peacocks. Again, to match your washi, a lot of the things are all very matchy-matchy so that you can make as many projects as you can get out of this, basically. And it can definitely go a long way if you're clever with how you're using bits and pieces, especially even your scraps. You can make this box go a really long way, easily last you the month. Okay, so what's this? This is... Oh, there's an instructional video in the thing. Ooh, we may have to give this a go. I think I will... Yeah, I think I'm going to give this a go, and I will put my my attempt on the blog. So, just one little last overview. all the bits that you get in your Crafty Bonbons box. So much stuff. There's so much stuff that you can use, and it doesn't have to be just for your planner. It doesn't have to be for your journal. You can use this in card making. You can use this in scrapbooking. You're not just limited to having to use it in your planner or a journal or anything like that. You can use them for, even if you're going to do like homemade decor as well, you can use it for that. There's a variety of ways that you can use this, and it's so flexible and it's just so, there's just such a variety of stuff that you can do with this. It's just not limited to your planner or your memory planner. You can use this for whatever you're wanting to use it for, basically. There we go. Oh, and the washi tapes. Let's not forget the washi tapes. But there you go. That is the Bonbons Kawaii and Crafty Alley Crafty Bonbons box. This is the November one. I think it's available in the shop. If it is, I'll put a link down below. If not, you can order the December one. I think that comes out around the 15th. But enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this. See you later, guys.